In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone screen won't rotate. Let's get started. First, you'll need to check if auto rotate is actually enabled on your iPhone. For that, launch your control center. Now here you're gonna find this icon, portrait orientation. Make sure it is disabled. Once it has been disabled, try opening any app that supports landscape mode and tilt your phone sideways to see if the screen rotates properly. If it still does not work, the issue might be related to the app itself. Some apps don't support landscape mode, so make sure you test it in different apps that normally rotate. Also keeps your app updated because developers often release updates that fix bugs and improve features. Another step is to make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. This often fixes performance and rotation issues. If the problem still continues, try first restarting your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. And that's it. With these you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.